With over 2 million first-generation beacons in the world, monitoring of the first generation will not cease. There's no anticipated mandate to transition from first to second generation. There's no driving force to do so. There are examples of agencies and national authorities mandating the use of new safety equipment. GADSS is a perfect example. GADSS first appeared in regulations in 2018, 4 years after the disappearance of MH370 in 2014, and 9 years after Air France 447 accident in 2009. The GADSS ADT mandate has now moved from 2021 to 2023 and now 2025. GADSS ADT represents a significant change in flight safety, and it still took well over a decade to realize it. The point is that first-generation beacons are not going away and will continue to dominate the market for a few decades. Boeing, Airbus, and many biz jets have all chosen first-generation ELT-DT for their aircraft platforms. So the first-generation ELT-DT populations will continue to grow faster than the second-generation installations. The technology differences between first-generation and second-generation ELT-DT demonstrate no significant impact on form, fit, and function for autonomous distress tracking. There is really no basis or risk that a second-generation ELT-DT will be mandated over a first-generation. Again, the large population of first-generation beacons, the regulatory obligation to protect the public good, no operational differences in technology, and no driver to mandate GADSS technology protects airline investments for first-generation ELT-DT.